Hello, Aieed aspirants. Here's how to fill up an application form. You need to search on the Google Chrome aieed.com, apply on the page appears, enter your full name, email ID, mobile number, your course preference, and submit it. Then an application form will appear. You have to select your course details and now fill up your personal details, your name, date of birth, place of birth, gender, category, nationality, address, your mobile number and your email ID. Fill up your father's details, their designation, contact number and the email ID. Now fill up your mother's detail. Now select the next page. Fill up your educational records, grades and percentage, your 12th grade, subjects, year of passing and percentage. Now submit the page. Now you have to select the documents and upload all your mark sheets and address proof over here. Now you have to select the payment mode. Click the button. Now your form will appear. So you have to proceed for the payment. Enter the details for the online form, your contact number, name and amount. Agree to the terms and conditions and submit the form. Now select Pay Now. Check the payment summary. Select the payment mode, net banking, UPI, EMI or credit debit card. Thank you so much.